नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सारोसस क्लासेस में। आज हम टेस्ट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एट 10+2 लेवल इस बुक से एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। ये जो बुक है इट इज़ बेसिकली पब्लिश्ड बाय इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूशन टू हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स इन देयर प्रिपरेशन फॉर आईएसआई एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशंस। तो आइए देख लेते हैं कि इस क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला गया है। लेट द सर्कल x square plus y square minus 2cy minus a square equals to 0 and x square plus y square minus 2bx plus a square equals to 0. So there are two circles given which centers at A and B intersect at P and Q. Show the points A, B, P, Q and O, which is a origin, lie on circle. तो चलिए इसका सॉल्यूशन करने की कोशिश करते हैं। We know that any circle passing through 2 points P and Q can be written as x square plus y square minus 2cy minus a square plus k into x square plus y square minus 2bx plus a square is equals to 0. Now this passes through origin O, therefore now this passes through O, therefore we can write that minus a square plus k a square is equals to 0 and k is equals to 1. So the equation of the circle passing through P, Q and O is, so the equation of circle passing through P, Q and O is x square plus y square minus bx minus cy is equals to 0, which is nothing but we put the value of k in this equation and solving this we get x square plus y square minus bx minus cy equals to 0. Now clearly A is a point which is 0 comma C and B is a point which is a B comma 0. Therefore we can say that A and B satisfies the above equation of the circle, satisfies the above equation, the equation number 1 of the circle. Okay, so this implies that P, Q, A, B and O lie on a circle. Okay, so we have solved this problem. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. And we Sarosa's classes provide mock test series and study materials on different ISI entrance, so you can join us. And for further details you can check our website also, which is www.sarosasclasses.com, or please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. So now I am signing off. Thank you very much.